Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to send XDC from your Arculus wallet to your Phantom wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, and this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus wallet and Phantom wallet apps installed and set up on your device. Arculus is your secure hardware wallet, and Phantom is a popular multi-chain wallet that supports XDC. Open your Arculus wallet and navigate to the XDC asset. You'll see your balance there. Double-check it to ensure you have enough to cover the transfer and any network fees. Next, switch over to your Phantom wallet. Go to the Receive section and copy the XDC address. This is crucial, so don't skip this step. Head back to Arculus. Select the Send option for XDC, and paste the Phantom address into the recipient field. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Remember, always leave a little extra for gas fees, which can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Before you hit Confirm, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction on your Arculus device. You'll get a prompt to verify with your security key or PIN. After sending, keep an eye on your Phantom wallet. It might take a few minutes for the XDC to show up, depending on the network. You can check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Zinfin's site for peace of mind. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer XDC between these two wallets. It's all about staying safe and double-checking details in the ever-evolving crypto world of 2025. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.